All right, today on Scavenge and Sell, we have the Panasonic RQ-2104 cassette player slimline. It's, I think, a 70s or 80s item. It has play, rewind, fast forward, stop, eject, pause buttons, a microphone built into it. Comes with the power cord. And back here we can sort of see the model number information. It's got a little handle that comes out as well. This does have one issue, but it does, for the most part, work. We can eject it. We got in here. We'll switch the tape out. We'll put in some Eagles. And then press play. I'll just have to wait a second here. And the issue is with the volume. Hear the crackling. But it does play okay, but it needs the tuner or the volume control cleaned, I would say. I don't have anything to clean it, but rewind works and fast forward works. The little counter works on the side here. And hit play again and it'll start back up again. So it's in pretty good shape overall. A little bit of dirt on it there. I'll clean it up a little bit before I list it. But it's in overall pretty good shape for somebody who can get the volume control, or if you just don't care, get the volume control sorted out. I'll be listing it for parts repair because of that, but it does for the most part function. Thanks for listening. Check out the auction.